Sanibonani ma-South Africa mahle, sanibonani ma-Africa mahle. This is Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis, Shuffling Diski Ringers. And I'm your host, Jabu Mahlangu, angihambi ngiyi-one. As usual, ngivane sikhokho sami. Sense of knowledge.
Mshavlana
Shap kunjani ntwana?
mnandi ntwana
Ugrand.
top kakhulu.
Bafethu, ngicela niqhubekeni, like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates as a Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Today's episode, Bafethu, it's about mesh review. Bafana, congratulations. We've made it to the World Cup. Ntwana, 3-0 convincingly. So, sivithizile mfana Rwanda mfana sisiqualifyile for i-World Cup, and I think abantu bayazi ukuthi sigcine kudala uqualify for i-World Cup ngo-2002, and when you check i-game bafana asicale ngama-stats.
Yeah.
Yabona, bheka ama-stats wethu mfethu, uma ucheck ama-stats la 12 shots for South Africa, 4 shots for Rwanda, 5 on target for South Africa, 1 on target. Actually, it's off target, but ishaipali.
Okay.
It's not on target, ishaipali. 1 shot ishaipali from Rwanda. So it's 0 shot on target from Rwanda, 64% to 36 ball position. So it shows ukuthi 5 shots on target, we managed to convert 3. What's your take on ama stats nje?
Ama stats obviously they show total dominance, my brother.
Yeah.
Total dominance, and this is what we expected from Bafana going into the last game, which was a crucial game. It was nerve-wracking. Everyone was anxious, but I'm so proud of the boys for managing to calm the nerves and play their game. We managed to dominate the game. We played so well. We moved the ball so well, and I will go to the lineup.
Okay. Before you go lineup, ne? Okay. Go iya go lineup.
Yeah.
Iya go lineup.
With the lineup, mina mangiyibona lineup, which is again something that I say big up to the coach and his technical team, because I lineup mangibheka the 2 center pairing yakasibisi no Kabini. I don't remember them playing together.
Undamani.
I mean Undamani.
Yeah.
Man. I don't remember them playing together, but Baba Perile, which shows a trust and the belief from the coach and the players knowing ama roles wabo, because it was a crucial game.
Yeah.
And Umbogazi magaphuma, I was worried kakhulu. So this game kungena Undamane kungena uSibisi, they played for the first time, but they managed the game so well. In the midfield, skipper from the previous game Uyaya Stole, Safaka
Umbatha, yeah.
Perfect combination, my brother.
Yeah.
Perfect combination, including Musipo Lapa as a 10. For me, that's total control. I still want to see more of that combination.
But into emnandi mina engichazayo kakhulu, must analyze game ukuthi South Africa now we've got depth.
Too much ntwana.
Bekabonakala ukuthi uMbokazi akekho.
Yeah.
We understand.
Exactly.
And akubonakalanga nokuthi our striker Forster
Yeah.
akekho. That's the team for me.
And
You understand? Asikwazi ukuthi ku national team sibe sikhale ngeplayer. Yes, akhona lawo ma player malimele is a key player. Yes, sizokhala vele ngoba irregular. But we mele kube so. I was so excited, happy ngundamane, 21-year-old from TS Galaxy.
Yeah.
From 21-year-old,
It's fine.
cool on the ball, his anticipation mdladla, ne? Because bengibheke yena kakhulu ngifuna ukubona ukuthi uzoyenza ama anticipation yakhe, the way ba connecting ngakhona no CBC, top notch.
Yeah.
Obviously, right combination yakambatha, we were very stable. Rwanda, they couldn't even jump the center line. Bafana.
Yeah.
Yes, once in a while. Yes, nge long ball nakhona, not nge combination play. like we were so solid. But a police, for me, man of the match again. This boy, umletha phakathi ku-10, he score goals. And what I've realized, makangale kakhulu akakori. Once acala angena, adrifter in ku-10, that's where he gets this, he's scoring touches back. Beautiful goal from Ulona or police and performance. Usipho Mbuli linking us from the middle ya uTebogo no Mbatha linking uTebogo Master Chef. Oh, I feel ukuthi as much as ngisho ukuthi number 8 no number 6 that's where ngimthanda khona kakhulu, but I think naye seka adapt manje because of mentality le uko prosa ifakile kuye uSipho Mbuli. Sekayacala manje sekaye master manje I number 10 sekayacala we understand. And the into engiyibone kakhulu, for the first time I've never seen uSipho Mbuli athekila and fighting and defending, and he was defending Nale Kimi Rwanda was doing everything off the ball. Not on the ball, we know what he can is magic, but off the ball his work rate, I'm impressed.
Just to add on that, forward passing, being able to be between the striker Umahupa and Utebza adlale lapha, being able with the ball amalingena ube link, don't bring the ball back again to Abu Tebza. Get the ball, we go forward. That is why we were able to get that goal, the first goal. Lisuka Utebza uthola
lisuka ku Umudiba
lisuka ku Mudiba lingena lapha kuSipho. He's in between the lines.
Very
important intwana la funekela khona ukuthi once you are in that position, most people abadlala number 10, they want to come back and usibusele move. We've broken the line. So once we break the line, we need a number 10. That is why I prefer Uthembas 1. Oh, that's why I love Uthembas 1, and I think he's the best number 10. Well, Cholu Sipho, he leans Ulontuzana.
And then first touch.
Police.
And udlulisile nge-first touch.
Break another line near pass. Sesingali ku final third, which is brilliant mfethu, and I wish he can continue like that to Sipho, being able to mawulithola kuleya position linka ama attackers wethu, get the striker, get the left and right wingers.
Yeah, but good team goal.
Good team goal.
All our goals. Good combination. It's into a training.
Yeah.
I mean, Mudiba, Sipho, first touch, a police behind the defense, cut shot, Umbata body wave, was creating a space. Le Barasa Rwanda yangena was creating the space. That's why he managed to have that extra touch again. Yugi touch, good shot, but poor goalkeeping from Untwari. Poor. Like Usese, Umzimba wake was not behind the ball.
Yeah.
I'm not a goalkeeper. I'm not an expert goalkeeper, but that's a school boy era. Usese, he's away from the ball.
Yeah.
The shot was great from Umbata.
Powerful shot.
Yeah, but poor. It's not poor goalkeeping from Untwari. And the goalkeeper Kaizer Chiefs there, and number 2, Ekmele Umthembe Makunzima.
Yeah.
I'm sure he Chiefs. They have to watch it close, this guy. But we are not about Kaizer Chiefs. We are about Bafana. But the goalkeeper was poor. Good shot. Then second goal Ntwana ngicela ukucocela nje second goal. Yabona second goal keletso mfethu ne. I throw in Ntwana ne. Shuti iphethe uMudiba. Ayi. uMudiba makayibamba uyidlala kuNgwanasesi. uNgwanasesi uyavela. I throw in ehafini yeRwanda.
Yeah.
uNgwanasesi uthi cha ku Master Chef. uMaster Chef uthi cha ngesithende ulibusela kuNgwanasesi. Ngale uMudiba uyahamba ngale. Ayi uNgwanasesi uyazi ukuthi uMudiba uyahamba.
Yeah.
uNgwanasesi makacetha ukuthi uMaster Chef uNgwanasesi akamosha ngasikhathi. Uthe makacetha ukuthi what release. Maka release leya azange ishaye I pass no I cross and hope. Ishaye cross pass. Wayibuyisa uMudiba uthe makayibuyisa kanje ne wa police lapha untwana yambe ithi ayibamba yabo asanda phana shuthi isusa amehlo ebholweni yabona isusa amehlo ebholweni the ebamba yaphunyuka mayiphunyuka kanti le ngapha umurena phethe experience ibonile anticipation experience le ibonile ukuthi apolice uyimesile first wangena phakathi because he's a wing wangena phakathi wayibuyisela egamini nga one touch uyibuyisela kubani sekukhona bani lapha uNwanasesi yizwa mina sekukhona uNwanasesi lapha yana uNwanasesi what first touch emnandi esaniyo delicious first touch what first touch emnandi delicious first touch what is second touch assist opolice ume kanje angisho makacela ukulidlula le umreni ithi ungawari malapho apolice liyabuya esanthi makacela ukuthi uNwanasesi liyathasha delicious makacela ukuthi the second touch assist opolice mfethu there was a defender here in front of a police mfethu we bende around that defender mamela ntanga mamela exceptional goal beautiful goal from South Africa and the way bayidlale ngakhona it's a training ground goal great teamwork iRwanda mfethu bebayifuna ngethushi bebangaboni next beautiful goal
no awareness yakamfana on taking that ball first time and like you say it's a difficult goal because there's a defender in front of you to play that ball around the defender liyokhela to the last pole beautiful goal too and awareness yam for umfana yiyo engiyenzile and the technique to bend that ball yiyo engithi yazi now well done Police and that boy is going places my brother.
No, he's going places kakhulu uye kwemfana mina ngikutshelayo ukuthi he can play England he's a winger he's not a defender he can play England he's quick like he can play anywhere in the world and then we should have scored 3 goals I mean na a Police again kuna la thole khona i1-on-1 khona first half la uNtwari khona aphasa khona ugoalkeeper sha straight no goalkeeper we had a lot of opportunities
Nkotha mina khona lena sidlale from the back mfana silinoka until
second
the
half.
end whereby uNwanasesi again Joe that guy Joe please
ini ucontribute every day uyamjita makadlala naku Pirates
and sinokuyidelela
hayi mina ngiyideleli
he's not the kind of player le bathi bamna but Ntwani contribution yakhe
uhlala nama assist uhlala akona nje around
mfethu he's bekalela udropela uNkotha mfethu uNkotha ubhekane no goalkeeper iku left foot yakhe mfana bend the ball around the keeper technique Ntwani is important and this is another thing but these boys they must learn in international level mfethu you don't get so many chances
yes
so when you get those chances you must bury them baba. You must bury them because as you play it's difficult to get to the opposition's half to get to the 18-yard area so when you get that chance you must be ruthless angabi nomhawu uNkotha please
because
unalimuhawu too much
nalimhawu man that's why akile mhawu
he must score
mamela khona kick quality cross again from a Police because he actually he takes ama corner vele kakhulu kubafana and most of the time I find delivery is proper and Nwanasesi near pole good header there typical striker's goal but again poor goalkeeping bad positioning bad handling but for us indoda bekumele ayenze le poor positioning sikwazi ukuya eFrance but it's a worrying factor for a goalkeeper of his caliber odlalela iCountry and conceding ama goals up kanje.
Someone said mhlambe basimgayile umkotla eBrown envelope.
Akuna Brown envelope is I think he was
better.
He was poor another and then goal from uMakgopa ke and then siyayivala 3-0 siya leader yini into ekumele si improve mdladla because iRwanda in my view first leg masicala lento ngoNovember 2023 mawacala ama qualifier basha 2-0 yakhumbula kule ground artificially umanzi kunetha bekungadlaleki bekuwamanzi nje and ebona bagijima kushuthi abantu abajwayele ukudlala egroundini engekho right for ukuthi kudlalwe ibhola bamnandi bona eground phela uyibonile ndothi imbombela benjani ndoda I mean the way we outplay them outclass them out like yonke into ayikho into abayenzile they were so poor Ronwen akayenzanga next our defense yes they were solid because of Umbatha no Mkwena they made sure they lock that midfield and allow amahlanya wethu amapantsula wethu abo apolice lapha nabo chef nabomrena bayenza into
Abomrena,
zabo
yeah.
yabo and but we still have to improve
We still
and
have to
when as a
improve.
coach
We still
now
have
I'm
to
putting
improve.
you ngilahlela phansi kwebhasi what should we improve because now yes sijabulile squalified and well deserved and well done to wonke ama player from ama player wokucala because iRwanda first time ayisha 2-0 kule game lesi bashaye yona manje 8 players bezuku starting lineup so bebanayo la ukuthi asabashaya lapho so pretty much he didn't change the team yabo ukuthi asibashayile I'm bringing this almost the same team uyangithola and then thina kule game eba esadliwa kuyo all four of our attacking players bebangekho this time Hlongwane Pesitawu
Themba Zwane.
Manyambele Manyambele mabasha 2-0 besi striker those were the four attacking players and they were not there so that shows that's why we are saying Hugo Bros is doing a fantastic job because in a database and we've got depth but asibe neqiniso njengoba ushilo ukuthi labafana laba badlale kahle do you think let me say what should we improve manje ngoba manje kwi World Cup phela kusekugcineni lapho siyabuya nalama mistakes amancane waka Ronwen lawa ukuthi bafuna ukuphasana short yes I understand we were leading what that excitement but uRowan sekayayijwayela lento le kancane yes we won but sekayajwayela there you can't be casual at that level what should we improve Ntwana and what is our strength going to the World Cup Sesival
in terms of our play, let's continue the way we are playing in terms of rotating the ball, but we need to move the ball much more quicker when we're rotating the ball. But the most important thing when we are rotating the ball, it's very important for especially our midfielders, not our midfielders, but as we are moving the ball, whether Umboraz, Emuva, or whoever that is playing, it's very important to recognize space. Because when we move the ball, we are moving the ball to shift the opponent. Because masloko still rotates angithi intwana. Khona ozolahla because the defense is organized angithi. That's why we are moving the ball. Siyal move ka left, silisa ka right. So we are waiting for a moment whereby one makalahlile, we can play that penetrative pass. So we need to recognize the moment because football is a game of moments. Masicala si penetrator. We need to be able again ukuthi sidlale ini ama forward pass for our attacking players. We need to make forward runs into dangerous positions. There's no use in rotating the ball because I watched this thing go Club World Cup. Sundowns rotating the ball, and then Tina, as we were watching, we were saying we have the ball. Sometimes the opponent can say, let them keep the ball.
In that
let
level,
them keep the ball. And then what we do, you rotate the ball until they are waiting for a moment to steal the ball by Okora, Balbege, Bagmele foot. But you have the ball. Ulogo rotate the ball. So for me now, what we need to improve on is when we are rotating the ball, be able to see those spaces to penetrate and play the forward pass much more quicker. And when we get into the attacking positions, we need to play much more faster. So you can't play from the back, go build up slow, and when you get to the attacking position, we start moving ball slow. Once we get into we need our appellers to change gears. You know, Farouk Khan used to say this.
Yeah.
Change gears, Baba.
So sichubeka net so.
So.
But lastly, into engichazile futhi good additional lentwana le uNdamane ku World Cup the Europeans are big and by use ama crosses kakhulu so the boys got a height and he's very strong aerially ngimbonile naizolo there was few challenges not too much because we were dominating the game you know he was not really under pressure but I like the height I like the way his strength yakhe singakhona and for me personal a police everyone thank you guys siyabonga ukuthi niswinele but to uNdamane well done boy you did well the future is bright to TS Galaxy siyabonga bafethu keep on producing great players young players esinjengabo Ndamane we had to recognize uNdamane because I think for me yes, Police is the man of the match, but bengamgayi uNdamane because of the way abe compose ngakhona, the way abe anticipate ngakhona, the way are comfortable ngakhona ngebhola. Keep it up, boy. We love you. We know ukuthi yes, abantu kunombokazi, kunabokhoza, kunabo McCarthy. That's what we want. We want great young defenders abamnandi, and ukuthi makuphuma umbokazi kungena uMcCarthy simnandi, makuphuma uMcCarthy kungena uSibisi simnandi, makuphuma uSibisi kungena uNdamane simnandi, makuphuma uNdamane kungena uKhoza simnandi. Bafethu siyabonga bafethu. Shapa bafana shapa.
Shapa.
Danko. Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis, Shuffling Diski Ringers, and I'm your host, Jabu Mahlangu, Anghambi one, as usual, Ivanis Koko Sam. Sense of knowledge.
Shablan,
Shapunjantan,
Nandana,
Ukraine.
Chokakul.
Buffett, again, like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates as a Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Today's episode, Buffett, it's about mesh review. Bafana, congratulations, we've made it to the World Cup. 3-0 convincingly. So, sivithizile mfana iRwanda mfana sisiqualifyile for iWorld Cup, and I think abantu bayazi ukuthi sigcine kudala uqualify for iWorld Cup ngo-2002, and when you check i-game yeBafana Bafana asiqale ngama-stats. Yabo bheka ama-stats wethu mfethu, uma ucheck ama-stats la 12